can't do it right now, but if I could, I would get one.
Damn right I got knives here with another knife review. Oh god, it's gonna be a good one. I feel this.
Yeah, we got some good stuff on the table.
That's right.
Quality shit.
BRS, I got a new knife. And I've already had it, flipping it and having a blast with this thing.
Okay, can you explain the full name of this?
CHAB, the Channeled Alpha Beast. So this is channeled handles right there.
Yeah.
Milled out, and it's heavier than the normal Alpha Beast. Still really flippable, amazing.
Don't throw it at me. How much heavier is it than this?
Yeah, 5.1
There we go.
on the CHAB, the Channeled Alpha Beast. 4.8. And it came with this killer green.
Toxic green.
Toxic green.
Yeah.
There it is. I put my own bite handle indicator and my latch. Yeah, this thing flips great, sounds great. The sound of the titanium, it's deep and nice. It's great. And it's BRS. Everything about it is perfect. I did take these out and put dental floss and a little Loctite in there because I noticed they were a little loose, and I got it all tuned up and there's no tap at all, nothing, and the tolerances are impeccable. The CHAB. And my regular Alpha Beast, which I love. check out another BRS replicant. So nice.
You know I gotta do that.
Look at these.
On the way to the room, you only let me go halfway.
Something that I think is kind of similar to a AlphaBeast is this guy here by Balisong, the Valkyria. Let's look at this. The Kraken, a little longer than all these on the handles.
I got one too. I don't think we have enough Balisongs.
And you got, let's look at the hand.
That has the longest handles. The Tropos.
Yeah. But we got the Benchmade 87.
Never alone, but only this version of home. So sweet, I can finally rest my feet. Yeah, a little rough around the edges, but it's none of your business.
2 Squid Industry Krakens, 1 Atropos Demon Light, 1 Black Balisong Valkyria, 1 Blade Runner Systems Channeled Alphabeast, 1 regular Alphabeast, 1 Blade Runner Systems Replicant, 1 Benchmade 87. Is that right?
Yeah.
You notice this, it's not like straight silver. I mean, it really looks like the metal material silver, like sterling silver. Like it's got this kind of ever so subtle kind of white gold tint to it. I think they do a really good job with their anodizing. This thing, it just kind of came out and it's like the bladed version of their Voker Plus. Kind of interesting. It's like steel liners, so it's not really geared up for flipping. I mean, these handles are going to be shorter and all these other things.
Oh, cool.
But it's kind of cool. It's kind of like an EDC Balisong.
That's cool. How much were these?
That was like almost $80.
$80. That's it.
Yeah, D2 steel.
Harpoon shape.
The pivot pins are like hidden. It's kind of
Oh
weird.
yeah.
I think to access them, you probably have to take all these pins out or something.
I wanted to show you these killer things that
Oh, yeah.
came in the mail, and I'm selling these at my shop. From Portland, just like the music we're listening to is from Portland.
Oh yeah.
Look
Oh
at
yeah,
that.
this is incredible. The handle of this, is that micarta?
It is. It's black and green micarta layered with red liners in the center.
It just, you have to really see this in person. The micarta is like, you can see the layers and it's really cool looking. You know?
The craftsmanship on this little knife is amazing here.
It's called the Shriner. I was guessing it's kind of like maybe a Wiccan knife. There's a knife called a Boline, B-O-L-I-N-E. That's for gathering herbs and for altars and shrines and whatnot. And that kind of reminds me of one.
That looks like it could cut a mushroom pretty good, and
They're really small. But that blade, I was checking it out earlier and it's really sharp.
and she gives these with a little piece of Scotch-Brite to clean it up. And here's another one.
If I don't get this, someone should.
Look at this one. Red micarta, red and black micarta with yellow liners. And look at the pattern on that.
Yeah, that works so good as like jimping. When you have this thing in your hand, it's off your hook. I mean, just that finger choil is amazing. And then that jimping on top or whatever. No one's getting this thing out of my hand right now.
And look at the stitching on these. These are really nicely done sheaths. And look at this one.
She makes amazing stuff.
No Luck Knives from Portland.
Very impressive piece.
Absolutely, 100% impressive. These are brand new to the store. I've been waiting on them. I did a review of hers before on the Skinner. And then I asked if she could send one of each of these to sell in the shop. And they finally came in. I have these too. ShopSoet.com. No Luck Knives is from Portland, and the band we're listening to, Dramady, is also from Portland. Answer Only to the Sea.
Are they still together?
Kinda, yeah, they are still together out of Portland. They're still doing stuff, but they also do other projects and things. But they were my old roommates and a really great band and dear friends of mine. They're family to me. Zach and Amanda and the whole crew up there in Portland. I love you guys.
Right on. I really like this record. I'd never heard of it.
We went out here and took these pictures and filmed and made a video for one of the songs.
It actually is a really good recording. I was taking note of that. So good job, man. It has kind of a little bit of a Beach Boys vibe.
Cheers, Tim.
Oh yeah.
Nicole is going to tell us what drink she made us.
This is called a vermouth spritz. Quite popular in Spain. And in the afternoon, they have some saying to say, like, let's go get a vermouth. It's a very light...
Oh, then they all take a nap.
Yeah. It's a very light, fortified wine with botanicals in it. So you just put a little bit, half and half, vermouth, some soda water, and I did a garnish of some squeeze of orange. That's it.
Next question for you.
Yeah.
First of all, which one do you like the most? Ooh, right there,
yeah.
Really?
I mean, I would love to have this. Is this the one for foraging?
Man.
Okay, which one do you think is the most expensive out of all these? Or the least expensive out of all these?
This one.
Okay. Do you think is the most expensive out of all these?
This one.
Most expensive right there? Okay, interesting. That's the most expensive.
Oh, it is. Is this the most expensive?
Yep.
And I thought it was the cheapest. Interesting.
And then you got this, then this. Most expensive to least expensive.
That's so funny. I don't know, the blade looks, maybe because it's less shiny, which doesn't really matter, and then the shape is different, so I just maybe assumed that.
But she'd rather have this one the most.
I want that too.
All right, thank you guys for watching. This is Damn Right I Got Knives and Tim Soet. Adios amigos.